channel. I know I always make gaming video. This time we're gonna make. Okay, you can't hear me, right? Welcome back to my channel. I know I make gaming video, but this time I'm gonna make a Rubik's Cube turtle. Only one part. See, this is a 5x5 and this is a 4x4. I have another one, but it's very small and it's a 3x3. I'll show you. Here it is, the 3x3. This thing is not kind of moving much, but first let's start with this. Wait. Okay. If you want to solve a Rubik's Cube, first you need to scramble it. I'm sure that you know this already. Okay. Wait, let me get out the scrambled Rubik's Cube. Here it is, the scrambled Rubik's Cube. If you want to make a Rubik's Cube to be solved like the 3x3, you need to make this. Wait, let's put this one over here. Now let's put this thing over here. Okay, if you want to make that, let's turn this around and get it over here. And now get that part again here. See? Now there's this is a X. Look, this is a X. But this, you need to make a line like this. See? Ignore these parts. These parts are useless. But just make this thing line like this. And then we put these parts here. When you make the line like this, one or two things will already be replaced over here. So we don't need to do that. Now there's a blue over here. How do I get the blue over here? If you may question, just get this one up and then turn this around. Now go to the bottom again and then get this thing over here. Now get this up. This is a very hard Rubik's Cube. And get this over here. See? Now if we put it back, see, now there's only one part. We only do this. Look. If there's a thing over here and a din over there, how will you solve it? It's easy. If there's a thing over here, just go ta-ta. See? This is easy, but it was very hard for me in little. I didn't know the technique. And see, there's already one over here. So this will make the process very easier. Now, let's repeat the same thing. And ta-da! It's solved. Now we're gonna move on with the 4x4. See, this is a very fast Rubik's Cube. I can solve this easily. But you can't solve it because it's hard for you guys. So let me turn the camera up because it's very big. Now, if you wanna wait. The 5x5 and the 4x4 are same size, but the 5x5 has smaller and the 4x4 has bigger. That's how it's big, small and big. Not even a replica is at the same time. It's very the same time. Okay, let's scramble this Rubik's Cube now. I will show you the scrambled Rubik's Cube right now. Wait, pause. Okay, this is where we left. And see how scrambled it is? It's very scrambled right now. If you want to solve it, first find these things. It's just like a normal Rubik's Cube, as you can see right here. But it's not that difficult. See? Get this part over here. It was over here. Now turn this thing like that. And now get it here. See? If you want to do this at all, repeat this video 5 times and you can get it, okay? and then this one has to be here. So just turn this up. Now there's a red part over here, so we can easily just do this. But there's a thing over here. We can't just move it like here. All of the good part will go away. So we will just repeat something. Okay. Okay. Now this is over here and this is over here. It's the same replica but in a different way. So then you do this, turn it over here, and then get this thing up and get this thing over here and go down. Ta-da! This part is filled. Now this part. This is gonna be easier because the red is not here. If the red is here, this is gonna be hard. Okay. Now look. If you wanna solve this, this part has to be over here. So let's take this over here, just like the normal Rubik's cube. See, now easy. But this part is here, which makes the process way easier. So let's turn it over here. As you can see, there is only three lines left. So we need to now turn the things over here. Now let's find. Okay, there is one here, but it's gonna be hard because there and there. It's gonna be hard this time, but nothing's hard for me because I have practice. If you wanna move this part over here, just move these things down, then move this part up, then move this part up again, and then voila! See, now you can solve this easily. Okay, look, down there is only one part left. Now we need to find the other red, which is over here, and it's in the same size, so it will be easier. And let's get it over here. Okay, it's over here, the two lines, 1, 2, and it's over here, 1, 2. See, now we'll just do this. This part is gone, so let's do this and voila, solve. And now let's move on with the next Rubik's cube. Here it is, the 5x5 Rubik's cube. I found it a premix Rubik's cube somewhere, but I'm not gonna show it yet. I didn't bought it because I'm still beginner. Because I only have the 5x5. When I was walking to home, I actually solved this part. The first part I solved is green, so that's okay. Now let's show you how to solve this. Let's make it scrambled. Voila! We're back where we are. See, this part is very scrambled right now, and this part we're gonna solve this. We solved this and this. Now it's time for the boss I have. This is the biggest Rubik's cube I have. I will have the 6x6 next time. I will make a total about that also. Now it's just like a 4x4, but it's way easier. Well, I can solve this thing in just 2 minutes, but this thing in 5 minutes. 5 minutes or more. So let's solve this. We take this part over here now. See, there's red adding up over here. These parts are red adding up. Now we take this part over here, but this part will get moved, so we can't do that. See, now do this, and then we see another one, and surprise, you will go and do this, and see, voila, you can search over here too. See, it's way easier, but you can solve this in a very fast timing if you repeat this video 10 times. I don't know if you can see 10 fingers or whatever, it's fingers. Okay, let's move this part 1, 2, 1, 2 over here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's move this over here. First, if we move this will go away. So let's do that. do this. And now do this. And now bring this part over here again. Voila. Now take this down and ta-da! This shapes like a 5. When this is shaped like a 5, this is perfect because this is gonna be way times easier. Put this over here, like same. Repeat the same replica. See, now the 5 is gone. Well, the 5 is still here. But we need to fill this part right now. So let's fill this part. But not right now. This will be in the end. Let's fill this part right now. If you already know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, don't just make this video end, because this will be helpful to teach your friends, your family members, and everyone else you like to teach. Now we see that all of the red is over here, so this is going to take 5 minutes now because of these things. These are very hard to move. So let's take this part over here. If you want to take this part over here, move this one over here. But see, this is going to be harder than we thought. So you have to scramble it all again. But see, now this one is over here. And this one can fit over here. When you do that, the color will repeat over here. So we can do it. Let's turn this face over here. Now let's turn this over here. How? Hatao, down, and find for anything up. Then get this part out, the 5 part. Ulta 5, upside down 5. And then put this over here. Why is the shape different? And whatever. Ta-da! Now we need to put this part over here. So move this over here. We don't need this part. So just do this. Get this part again. And that part is gone. Yeah. Now take this over here. Now this is going to be easier. Now put this part over here. This part will be here. So let's move this and move that and this. See, now this is going to take a long time to solve this because all of them are here, and no, not all of them, only these two. But this part is going to be easy. There's 2 right here, so this is going to make the process much easier. But we need to find the 2 places to put it here. We don't need this part right now, so just put it over here. We need this part later. Then do this. And now we need this part over here. Let's put this over here. Check for some parts that is missing. No parts. Get this down. See, there was a 5, now there is no 5. 5 was making it easier, but it took the red over here. So this is going to be harder. Now there is a green over here and a red over here. Look, 1, 2, 3. The 3 parts has the red. 1, 2, 3. There, 1, 2, 3. Now we can solve this, but move this part over here. Wait, this seems difficult. Move this part over here. There is the red here. Do this, and now get the part up here again. The part will change. Get this down, and now this part over here. See, now it's easier. Now just put this part over here, and now it's a little bit more scrambled, but all of them are here, which is perfect to make it solved. let's put this part over here. I think. Wait, this is difficult. Wait, the process just gone harder. As you can see, I'm trying to solve it, but the process gone harder. When you halfway to solve, the screws will make sound a little, warning you not to solve, because the screw doesn't want it to be solved. The screws are released the scramble when it's solved, but don't worry, the Rubik's cube won't break or something. Now let's put this over here. As you can see, there's a screw over here. I don't sure that you can see it. I'm sorry, I'm not talking. Just see the video what I'm doing. I'm just I'm doing the same replica. Now these tools, I need to put this one. Let's see if we can put it over here. No, so let's just put this part over here. Now there's only left these three parts. The screws are troubling me again, but where do I put this over here? As you can see, this one be over here, this one. So let's do the replica again. This. I will show you the algorithm when the next time I will make this video again. Now, as we can see, these two can perfectly fit, because 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? Now, we put this, and voila! There's only 4 parts left. If we want to solve these 4 parts, we need this over here. So, let's put this over here. Actually, not here. Okay, now we can put it over here, because this is going to be easier. Tada, now there's only 3. Okay, now put this, turn this around. Now the green is here. We need to put this red over here. Just do the same algorithm. I will teach the algorithm later, not the algorithm. Just do the same thing I taught you in the 3x3. And voila, there's only 2 left. If you grab your Rubik's Cube, if you're making this far, if you already grabbed your Rubik's Cube, congratulations. If you haven't, rewind the video and watch this again. Ta-da! Now let's pause for a second because the timer has been too long. Okay guys, I found this part. This part is going to be here like this. And ta-da! Now put this over here. Now this here. Voila! We solved this! Congratulations if you solved these two. These two were very hard to solve. If you want me to solve the 6x6, I will do it when I have the 6x6. Now I just have 3x3, the smallest 3x3 in the world. 4x4, you know what they call, the fastest moving 4x4. It's very fast. And the 5x5, it's also the fastest moving, but the screw won you. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I'll see you tomorrow.